Hi, this is Ajay Mehta here from SMI Coated Products Private Limited. We are the largest Indian label stock manufacturer and have been exporting over 50% of our products to different parts of the world. And at the Label Expo show, which has been a great success for us and for the members who have been present over here, we have showcased the filmic label stock material that we have to offer. We made a separate brochure for everyone to be able to follow it, nice and clean, that they can look at the applications that are there. We see the future that is there is going to be more and more kind of specific applications coming up for which technical support is always required and needed. The industry also has been going through a rough time in terms of costings, and we have been working with LMAI to improve upon the costing of the industry. Within that, to support the technical knowledge as well as the costing of the products, we have introduced an app over here in SMI's app, in which we can go around and find out that what are the technical requirements of the products that you have, and accordingly get to the right product that SMI has to offer. And directly from there you can send a mail telling us what kind of material you need and what's the quantity you need. Also, we have got within that a lot of conversions, calculations for the industry, which help us, like the label size to roll length, in which we can put the length of the label, the height of the label, the matrix width that is required on both the sides as well as the end, the number of labels that are required to be printed, and how many ups we want to print it that can be printed on your machine. This helps us to identify what is the running length that is required for printing in different ups. It also helps us in assessing the wastage that would be required, whether you print it in 3 ups or 4 ups or 5 ups or whatever ups you choose, and that helps to finally identify what's the wastage and how the costings should be done. It facilitates the printer to learn technically about the product as well as help them commercially. We wish everyone in the industry all the very best from today, and thank you so much.
That was very, very good. Didn't need impactions at all. That was excellent. Are you happy with that? I think you covered pretty much everything.
Yes, yes.
All right, well
and how much time was it? Was it within the time frame, or was it